In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I will show you how to add a border to a video. So let's get started. First of all, select your video. Select your video and drag to the timeline. Control, here is our effect control, and scale the video to 80% now, 70%. Okay, so here is our video, and click on this icon, new item, and create a color matte. I want to select white color, and here is our color matte, and drag the color matte here. Increase the size of color matte and go to scale and scale this color matte to 82%. So, oh sorry, 82 73%. So here is border of our video. You can see, play now. No select both clips layers and go to next. Okay, so here is our final. Now you can also change the scale and also position. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, shukriya.